This video show an example of ListView. So we can see here there are three items, colors, red, green, and blue. When the user click the colors, it show the value and the position. Okay, first you have to select the layout, main activity. Okay, let's say we remove the hello world. Okay, you just drag and drop here. So now we will set the layout width and layout height here. For example, I set 150. Okay, this one also same. Okay, and then I have to add the ID here. Okay, next you can go to the Java file here. You have to declare the object. You can type the private. Okay. List underscore view is the variable of the object list view. And another one, you have to set the data. Let's say here we use a string array. So you can declare private static string array. Oops. And the variable of the string, let's say I declare a color name equal to new string, and this is your data here. So the data, comma, red comma, and blue. Okay, semicolon. So in the main function here, we create a function. For example, it's a ListView, or maybe my list function, semicolon. Then we can create the function public void my list. Okay, then you have to link between Java file and the layout. So the object is a list view, so you can type the variable list view equal to, and the object list view find view by id r.id dot let me check. Okay, this is name list view. Okay. If we look at the XML file, there is something error because we don't set the constraint layout here. For example, I put and I set okay. So okay, next After you link it between a Java file and the layout or the XML file, so you can create the array adapter. String. Okay, your data is a string, comma. This is the variable of your adapter. So let's say let's say the variable is the adapter, equal to new array adapter string. Okay, this comma. Here the second variable is a new layout. Yeah, so you can create the new layout. Right click, select new layout resource. Here you can for example, you can declare a color. Yeah. And then okay, your data, your string data will be stored into the adapter, and you have to use you have to change the linear layout to be text view. Okay, after you change it, then finish. Okay, go back to the main activity. So you can call the layout just created here. So you can type r.layout.color, comma, and this is the string variable. So your array string is a color name. Just copy paste here. Okay. Okay, sorry. Semicolon. And you can display. You can type the ListView dot set adapter and the adapter. That's it. Okay, let's try to compile it. Okay, so you can see the three item list here. So you need to set the on click listener. Yeah, so you can type here ListView set on click listener, new adapter view on click listener. Inside the public void on item click adapter view, so you can see here view, position, and also the ID. In order to display the value of the string array, so you can declare string value equal to string ListView dot get item at position. Here we have to put position. Okay, and then if you want to display, let's say we are going to use a toast. Yeah, so you can type toast dot make tag main activity dot this, and then the position, let's say, and this is the value that you want to display. This one is a position. Okay, so we can run and see what happened. Okay, when the user click the red, it show the position 0, value red. Okay, green, blue. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.